Top 5 Forex Trading Strategies for Beginners. Forex trading can be both exciting and challenging for beginners. The key to success lies in adopting a strategy that aligns with your goals, risk tolerance, and market understanding. Below are the top 5 Forex trading strategies for beginners that are both effective and easy to understand. 1. Trend following strategy. The trend following strategy is one of the most popular and straightforward Forex strategies. It involves identifying and following the direction of the market trend, whether upward bullish or downward bearish. How it works: identify trends. Use technical analysis tools like moving averages, trend lines, and the relative strength index (RSI) to determine the trend. Entry point: enter the trade when the trend is confirmed, ideally after a pullback. Exit point: exit the trade when the trend shows signs of reversal or when your target profit is achieved. Why it works for beginners. This strategy is easy to learn and implement, making it ideal for beginners. It also helps traders avoid trading against the market's natural direction. Point 2. Support and resistance strategy. Support and resistance levels are key price points where the market tends to reverse or consolidate. This strategy involves trading based on these levels. How it works: identify support and resistance levels. Look for historical price levels where the market has previously reversed or stalled. Entry point: buy near the support level and sell near the resistance level. Exit point: exit the trade as the price approaches the opposite level or when the price breaks through these levels. Why it works for beginners. This strategy is straightforward and relies on clear, identifiable price levels, making it easy for beginners to understand and execute. 3. Breakout strategy. A breakout strategy involves entering a trade when the price breaks through a significant support or resistance level. This often signals the start of a new trend. How it works: identify breakout levels. Use tools like Bollinger Bands, price channels, or trend lines to identify potential breakout points. Entry point: enter the trade when the price breaks out of the identified level with high volume. Exit point: set a stop loss just below the breakout level and a target profit based on the expected move. Why it works for beginners. Breakouts can lead to significant price movements, offering beginners the opportunity to capitalize on strong market trends with relatively low risk. For moving average crossover strategy. This strategy uses to moving averages of different periods, a short-term and a long-term, to identify trading opportunities based on their crossover points. How it works: choose moving averages. Typically, a 50-day and 200-day moving average are used. Entry point: buy when the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average bullish crossover. Sell when the short-term moving average crosses below the long-term moving average bearish crossover. Exit point: exit when the moving averages cross back, indicating a potential trend reversal. Why it works for beginners. The moving average crossover strategy is simple and helps beginners identify trend changes without needing to understand complex indicators. 5. Range trading strategy. Range trading involves identifying currency pairs that are trading within a certain range and buying at the lower boundary support and selling at the upper boundary resistance. How it works: identify the range. Use horizontal support and resistance levels to define the trading range. Entry point: enter a buy trade at the support level and a sell trade at the resistance level. Exit point: exit the trade as the price approaches the opposite boundary or breaks out of the range. Why it works for beginners. Range trading is a low-risk strategy as it involves buying low and selling high within a defined range, making it easier for beginners to manage risk and understand market dynamics. Conclusion for beginners in Forex trading. Starting with a simple yet effective strategy is crucial for building confidence and achieving consistent results. The above strategies offer a solid foundation to begin your Forex trading journey. Remember, practice on a demo account and continuously educate yourself to refine your trading skills.